woke up with my ears burning. I turned my phone on, and there you were. Michelle's a hypocrite.
Yes, after
And I said,
everything
God
I
damn it,
heard
it's
what you
4 in the
said about
morning.
me, after everything you said about me, and here you are getting monetized.
Look, I did it. I did. I said, fuck it. I'm tired of this. I volunteered long enough. I
So
volunteered long enough.
are you going to put any different content out apart from trolling people?
I'm not sure. You know what, Candor. You play it too. Don't try
Um,
me. Candor.
I'm just honest in my responses. That's all, Melty, and you know I am, Michelle.
Michelle. What happened to
Michelle.
Michelle? Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah, what's up? I just wanted to hop on and say I'm a hypocrite
Yes,
and I'm a grifter. Look at Juanita's
yes,
face. I'm a grifting hypocrite.
yes.
Oh, right. I'm asking you guys. I'm out of the loop. I'm been out of the loop. I better get my ass back in gear. If not, I better start stirring some shit up, hey? Yeah. Next Mafia member.